Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you want to build a beautiful website, make it with Squarespace. So, good morning everyone, hello. These are my skates that I have been learning how to skate in, obviously. You can tell they're kind of trashed, especially on the outside, holy shit. Damage. But I just want to kind of give them a bit of a makeover today, maybe change the laces, give these ones a wash, and paint something on the side of them. And I'm still deciding, sketching what I want to put on them. Yeah, I think just having the skates here will give me a better idea of what I should put on them. First, I'm gonna see how well I can clean them, and then I might repaint them white, because I've done that here. There used to be a logo here. These are Impala skates. But I'm especially like wanting to customize these ones as they are my first pair of roller skates, and even though I am obviously careful with them and in them, you know, they get dirty very quickly. I'll probably, once I get sick of whatever I paint on here today, paint something else. Like, I'm just keen to have a new look for my skates. And because I skate outside, that's why they're so dirty. And because I'm trying things that are out of my skill level, I fall over a lot, and that's why the sides are all disgusting. Have I dressed my hair yet? See, this is the thing, I'm filming 3 videos this week. Another one, the painting that you saw earlier was supposed to come out sooner, but the painting is just not done, and I have no idea when it will be done. So I addressed it in that, but now I'm gonna have to address it in this video because this video is gonna come out first. So yeah, I got my hair cut. These are my laces. I buy all my stuff online. I think these are, what are these called? Derby core some laces? I don't know. I really don't know anything about brands or skating or just anything in general. I don't know anything. Oh yeah, I have different color laces, so I'm gonna grab those. So I have these white laces and I have these green laces. Oh yeah, and that's the brand that I was talking about. Cool. Oh, that's backwards. I'm thinking I might do white laces. Just because, okay, if I paint something green on them, I'll do the green laces, green and pink, if I do my green and pink design. But if I do anything else, I'm gonna go with the white laces just to eliminate any like crazy color combos. But now I am going to clean my skates. the... Let's continue painting. When I say let's, I just mean me. You're not allowed. With a stranger who might talk too fast or ask me questions about myself before I've decided that he can ask me questions about myself. He might sit too close. I'll call the waiter by his first name or eat Oreos, but eat the cookie before the cream. But what scares me the most, what scares me the most, is what if when he sees me, what if he doesn't like it? What if he runs the other way and I get? What happens then? If when he knows me, he's only disappointed. I'm not prepared for that. I'm scared of breaking open, so I can't help from hoping. And I'm just fine inside my shell-shaped mind. That way I get the best view. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I've got my skates on. I'm so happy with how they turned out, but I am not going to take my camera with me skating because I'm not at the level where I can hold very expensive things while skating, so I'm going to take my phone with me and see what happens. To show you guys this really cool plant that I got the other day. It's just like the most beautiful colors: red, orange, yellow, green, brown. But like, wow, you're doing such a good job. I'm going to start off by saying thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. You guys have heard me talk about Squarespace quite a lot, and I'm so happy to have them sponsor my videos every now and then. It means so much to have a sponsor that I actually love and use myself, and so I can feel good about recommending it to you guys. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's a website building platform where you can build really beautiful websites from scratch using their templates that are super customizable. You can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you can change the layout of different things, add more blocks. They like use blocks to edit, so you kind of drag stuff in, move it around. They have so many different templates and they're organized really well on their website. So if you're a photographer, you can go and look, and they even recommend different templates that they think work well for photography, but you can always mix and match, and there's so many like options that you can choose. I use Squarespace to display my own portfolio at the moment, and if I'm ever applying for jobs, I'll just send on my website and that counts as my portfolio. It's super easy. It shows them what I've been doing and who I have worked for in the past, all in one place. So I really love it. And if you guys would like 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain, head to squarespace.com/Zozzolini, and that will also give you a 14-day, 2-week free trial. I think the more videos I make, the worse I get at ending them. So, bye.